Well, happy Tuesday, folks. It's Tuesday, January 26th. I'm out here in Pittston, and we're under winter storm watch. And, well, they got some snow. It's laughable, but, you know, it's snow. Yeah. I have driven in worse conditions than this. Driven in worse conditions than this and not bitched about it, so it's kind of a joke. But yeah, I'm still up here at the terminal. We're waiting on a few parts for my truck. They did find the air leak. Oh yeah, and it's right under the driver's door. Yeah, kind of hard to get to, but they'll get it fixed. And waiting on a part. How you doing? Yeah, they're waiting on a part for it, and they're waiting on some other part too. And I don't know, the water pump's not in stock, and I think the cruise control, I got to take it to Freightliner and get that fixed. And something about programming the APU or something that has to go to Freightliner too. I don't know. I'm a company driver. I don't care. It doesn't cost me a dime. Got my shock absorber replaced though. Yeah. So, yeah, I kind of thought that the one shock absorber was messed up. I was right. You know, hey, you know, not wrong all the time. Shit, I'm not wrong most of the time. But, you know, whatever. So I'm just, you know, roaming around, and, well, got my snow pants on, and I got a Walmart. Yep, because it's cold. You know, been down in South Carolina when it's 60 degrees, and you come up here and it's, I don't know, 30 degrees. Yeah, it's a little cold. But it sure as hell ain't like Wyoming when it was -9. Now that was cold. Oh my God, that was cold. But, you know, whatever. Well, good morning, folks. It is Wednesday, January 27th. And I'm up here across the street from the Teterboro Airport. Yeah, yesterday was kind of brutal. I got the APU serviced. Had to replace the radiator and the water pump. You know, there were warranty recalls. I'm a company driver, didn't cost me anything, but still. The truck needed a shock absorber because it had a blown shock absorber. And what else did it need? Well, they weren't able to get to the cruise control issue. That it's got to go to the dealership for. And what else? Oh, yeah, and I got an oil change. Yeah, because it's, you know, it was time for an oil change. So, got all that done. Got some sleep. And had a job going to Teterboro Airport. Now, of course, it was snowing and it was icy, and I had to drive bobtail out. A little on the terrifying side, I will say. I drove down 81 at like 45 miles an hour because, you know, it's bad enough driving an empty trailer, but bobtail is really sketchy when it's icy. Yeah. And I saw a few accidents along the way. Yeah, one was a bobtail that was probably going too fast for driving conditions because he was turned 180 degrees and his truck was all smashed up. I went slow, my flashers on, I was real careful, and, you know, I made it safely. What the hell is this cat doing? What are you doing, baby? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you see the airplane and you think you're going to catch that? You can't catch a bird. You think you're going to catch an airplane? You kooky thing. Hey, look at the tail go. But anyway, so I drove up here to Teterboro. They have no overnight parking, and Gee, wonder why? Well, because it's like no place to park. I'm 4 doors down from my receiver. Luckily, the parking lot was unlocked. You know, like the chain was not there. So I parked in somebody else's parking lot. I had no choice. Every rest area I came up to, well, there's like, 100 trucks on the highway parked on the shoulder before the rest area, and another 150 after the rest area, besides the 10 in the rest area. Or the one gigantic rest area that had 110 spots and probably 300 trucks in it. So, yeah, there was no parking. It was not fun. It really wasn't. I mean, it was really a stressful drive out. My delivery time is 9:30 a.m. It's 9 o'clock. And, yeah, I'm going to give them a call in about 15 minutes and tell them, hey, I'm right down the street. Because, I did 5 hours and 36 minutes in sleeper berth. I got 2 hours and 46 minutes of drive time. That's pairing it with sleeper berth. Yeah, kind of screwed up my hours here. But, got here safely, and that's what counts. And I'll make the delivery on time, and that's what counts. Well, howdy folks, it's Captain Banana, and today is February 2nd, 2021. Oh, and what a rough day it was. I had to drive bobtail, leaving all the snow and ice behind in New Jersey. Drive 160 miles down to my O1, pick up my load, and take that to my 90, which is where I'm at now. And it was brutal. I mean, driving a bobtail in the ice and snow is it's not something you really want to do, but sometimes you do what you have to do. But I'd rather not drive bobtail in the ice and snow. Yeah, it was tough. It was some tough driving. Once you got out on the major highways were clear, but still, the wind was blowing real bad, and, you're in a bobtail. It doesn't weigh a whole lot because there's no trailer on the back. I don't know which is worse in windy weather, bobtail or trailer, or empty trailer, but both are not fun. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana. It is Wednesday, February 3rd, and I'm heading to Illinois with another load. All right, making that money. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. Yeah. So I'm here in Danville at my 90, at the gate, just waiting to get in. You gotta follow the rules. You gotta sit and wait for the truck in front of you to get up to the stop sign and go in and do his paperwork and all that crap. Then the next truck moves forward, and so on and so forth. So I've been sitting here for 23 minutes now. Yeah, appointment time's at 4 o'clock. They said I could get here early, an hour early. So I got here at 3 o'clock, and I'm still waiting. Hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. That's trucking for you. All right, folks. It's Captain Frozen Banana. Yeah, I've been to this 90 before. It's the place with the really nice outhouse. Yeah, I was here when I was training with Eric. Yeah. Should have recognized the Danville prison. Wasn't really paying much attention to that, but as soon as I saw the fancy shitter, I was just like, oh yeah. Yep, been to this place. It's the only receiver I've been to that has, well, it's indoor plumbing, but they're on trailers and have running water. Really fancy outhouse. It really is. Well, good morning, folks. It is Friday, February 5th. Yep, Friday, February 5th. I'm Captain Banana. Yeah, so, got my stuff delivered to my 90, and, well, lo and behold, the one product was 80 cases of some hazelnut, or no, it wasn't hazelnut, it was marshmallow topping. I'm not a fan, but anyway, the expiration date is, well, tomorrow. Yeah, so, of course, the receiver was just like, oh, hell no, we're not taking this. You know, put it back on the truck and you find some place to get rid of it. So, you know, I gotta take it to a food bank 92 miles away from where I'm parked, which is a quarter mile away from where my 90 was. Yeah. So, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm waiting for them to get back to me. And so in the meantime, figured I'd make this video and ramble on and ramble on and ramble on some more. Yeah. Well, howdy, folks. It is Captain Banana, and it is Saturday, February 6th. So I parked overnight at my shipper. My plan is to depart my shipper about noon. It says it's going to take about 5 hours to get to my 90. Well, actually, I'll depart my shipper at 11:30. Anyway, my load's due at 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'll depart out at 11. Anyhow, squirrel. I went to Walmart, did some shopping. One of the things I do when I buy hamburger meat is I take the patties, like them, take them out of the box, or the container, and individually put them in freezer bags. Then I stick them in the freezer, so that when I want a burger, all I gotta do is pull it out, stick the burger in the refrigerator, and let it defrost. Or if I forgot to do something important like that, I just take it out of the freezer and stick it on the George Foreman grill and grill it, because it does grill it. I got bacon when I was on home time, and I grilled bacon on the George Foreman grill, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well the bacon comes out, because it grills both sides at the same time, and yeah, it works really good. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana, and it is Sunday, February 7th. I'm at my 01 for a drop and hook. Yeah, spent the night here. It's 21 degrees out. And it's only going to get worse for me, because they're sending me to Wisconsin. What's worse than Wisconsin? My 90 is in Minnesota. I don't like the cold. I was hoping for Florida. Yeah, Florida. Not Minnesota. Alright, folks, it's Captain Banana, and it is Sunday, February 7th. I'm in Illinois. Holy shit, is it cold. Or no, fuck, I don't know where I am. Yeah, I'm still in Illinois. I'm on my way to Wisconsin. I'm 11.2 miles from my first stop, and it's 5 degrees outside. I got fuel in my truck. My ears are burning. I'm wearing my snow pants. It's so cold. But oh my God, I mean, just bitter cold. It's going to be even worse in Minnesota. I'm not looking forward to it. But at least I don't have to get fuel in Minnesota.